I believe you and I might have the same problem. So let me show you what I mean. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use your scrap wood more efficiently and feel like you haven't wasted it. And we're back in the office. That's where the video planning and research happens. I've recently asked you guys what you do with your wood scraps, and honestly your answers made me laugh. So let me share some of them with you now. So it seems like none of us have really an idea what to do with our scrap wood. And that's where I hope my experiments will help. In today's video I'm gonna show you 3 different scrap wood glue ups, where the third one is definitely think outside of the box idea. I'm really curious what you think about it, so don't forget to leave a comment below this video. Now without further ado, let's start with option 1 and 2. And I almost forgot, at the end of this video you'll get a free gift idea with plans, so stay tuned. It's time to finally show you what I've been working on behind the scenes. If you own a 3D printer, you probably recognize these. These are leftover filament that you'll probably never use and might even throw away. I think I found a solution for you and it fits perfectly with the idea of this video. Print thin solid strips, about 2-3 mm, and include them in your glue up. Trust me, this looks amazing. Let me show you how I did it and what mistakes I made along the way.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Well, that part's pretty simple. Just remember, never use wood glue on your 3D filament. Trust me, it does nothing. CA glue is way better, and it actually works. I hope you like my third scrap wood glue up idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more projects like this. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the bonus gift. Using the boards from today's video, I also made a laptop stand, and the free files are in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.